sex with a dog.
You see that? That with a stick?
Yeah.
I can see it. Like, I don't know, they just come out of... Just getting the bait out, so...
You were trying to... That's a beautiful, beautiful shot.
I don't think you want a picture this time.
This one's not too bad. Oh, it's a perch.
Oh man.
Shucks and less the minnow.
The minnow's gone?
To its belly. And I'm not going in there for it.
Northern.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
It's called repeated.
Or did I just... Oh, I snagged it.
Big old snake.
I snagged it.
Oh,
I just don't know the names.
you in here?
So we weren't in here.
Roland, get your line in the water. These things will put as quick as they hit. There you go, man.
So
So
nothing's better than this.
sweet smell of walleye in the morning.
That.
If they're hooked, they won't get off. That one that Roland lost, he got it again.
Nice. Honkin' walleye.
That is a beautiful walleye. That's going to be some nice sandwich.
Well, I don't know if it'll make the Rainy Lake slot or not, but we'll check her out.
Look at that.
Okay, Roland, can you give him the ministry speech before we kill the son of a bitch?
Oh, man.
That's against the rules. Come on, you're gonna get my line. Nice one. Little more, little more, little more, little more, little more. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Woo. So is that the one that jumped?
I don't know. Here, grab your jig head. Grab the jig head.
Jig
and
head?
Get your picture with it.
Okay.
Don't hang him over the boat, because
Oh, yeah.
that looks like a really nice lunch
Did they ever
there.
flick you in the face?
Oh yeah, they get wild.
That's.
You just go like that, because if he ever decides to flip, he's gonna drive that right into you.
Oh, okay, see you.
He wouldn't do it intentionally.
Nope, that's
You just grab
I
it
mean,
like
he
that.
wouldn't do it. I mean, just because
Until you touch the front of it, it folds down.
Oh yeah.
You want to keep him? He's been bruised.
Yeah. I'm okay with keeping the bruised fish.
Yeah.
The heck? That's hilarious. I've never seen a catch like that before.
You know how
So
to catch him?
is that Rainy Lake size? Sure of it. Pulling too hard. Unless I'm working against your boat.
I'm trying to get out of the weeds. So you're a
Oh
weed. You're a
crap!
weed.
That was a weed.
I've ever had on my hook.
Flip your
But
bail
I
and let
can't
it
show
lay
you.
on the bottom.
I can't even show you though. It was that good.
Okay.
Look at Larry. Absolutely disgusted.
Not disgusted.
Larry with his tourist friends.
I lost my minnow on that guy.
Yeah, they strip you, eh?
Yeah.
So maybe you could explain like the art of putting a minnow on a jig for those tourists that are watching. Oh, or is that a secret too? I think did he just disappear in that rock there?
Never had
You're
it.
gonna have to say that again. Sorry.
I mean, it was so big that my arms were coming out, and it took my minnow, my jig, everything. I don't even know what to say anymore. Might just break down and bawl here.
Okay. Record. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, this here, I'm pretty sure this came from. This is kind of the preppy type walleye here. It's got.
Just gonna try and get a zoom in on it.
Yeah, it's there. Take a look at the eyes. They're awesome.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Incredible.
Kind of got snake eyes, I call them. But yeah, beautiful fish.
Sorry, I just hit standby.
That's
instead.
fine. We'll get her again on the next one, Roland. Walleye, eh?
Beautiful.
You know, being from Newfoundland, that kind of, you know, it's kind of like a genetically imperfect cod, this thing.
Just hold it up there nice and straight and
Okay, like that?
yeah, and I'll just zoom in on it. Wow.
Wow, that's a beautiful fish.
Look at that.
Got to get the eyes the way they're like
Yeah.
a snake.
Here, yeah, hold it like
Beautiful.
that. Sweet.
Let's see, that's the wallet. It's an eater.
Oh,
I'm telling you, Roland, we got enough
just
to eat.
a baby.
We don't need any more to eat.
he's just a baby. We've got enough pan-sized walleye for lunch, so we're supposed to work on the big ones.
The big ones now.
So-
Yeah. Yeah, we have enough bait.
It's not pulling very hard.
Last one.
I think I lost the minnow on that one.
It's long and skinny.
Long
Anorexic, it's an anorexic walleye.
Like this. Broke my friggin' line. My line.
He used to have a beautiful yellow eye.
Oh,
Look at how that's worn off.
that's an American-made jig.
Yeah, it's not designed for
It's
Canadian
not
walleye.
designed for Canadian waters, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, should we go then?
You know your eye is so bad. I can't even see where it
I
is.
know.
Can't even see where it is. I mean, I know it's flying around up there.
Oh, you mean for focus?
Yeah,
or
yeah.
I got a lot of stain on that lens too, and I thought I just cleaned it actually.
Where are they?
Okay, I'll get the minnows. Or you got two of them there. Beautiful bird, eh? Awesome.
And do you have just plain optical zoom on this thing?
Yeah.
You don't have any digital
There's
zoom, eh?
digital binoculars, I don't use it.
Yeah.
Geez, that wind's picking up.
Yeah, is it ever?
Must be blowing in a little storm. So give me the spiel on how this is done now, on the next fish.
And the next fish?
Yeah. You gotta get downwind though, because that's like, okay.
Okay, put the knife behind the two fins closest to the head and cut towards the head, right behind the head. Tilt your knife on the backbone and just slice it right down the belly and the backbone. Don't cut your fingers. Just slice it right off. Turn it over. Repeat another side. My wife usually does this, so.
That's true. Okay.
Okay, you get underneath, get your knife at an angle just underneath the ribs. And then take the tail, get your knife started underneath the meat, keep it on a slight angle, hold it steady and just move the skin back and forth. There, ready for the frying pan.
Okay, go again on that.
Okay, underneath the rib cage. Take the ribs out, get your knife started at the tail end, slight angle, and just move the skin back and forth. Hold the knife stationary. That's it. That's all there is to it.
Ah.
I think it's gonna blow up some rain. Sure feels like it.
Oh, yeah, the fire going?
We're going to take a good look at this. You know what I wanted, Roland? I want.
Oh, hey, look.
There's a walleye lunch inside his internals.
Wow.
Should we fillet that, Walter? Walter.
Partially digested minnow.
Well, when it's all fried up in that hot grease, who'd know the difference?
Yeah.
Like a sardine.
Oh, yeah, I get that. Flying. Set. Oh. Oh, he got the pieces.
Wait, I'll throw one out there and I'll get you. You didn't let him pick it up. Let him pick it up.
There's some that are wasted, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just get rid of them right now because it's.
No, don't get rid of them. Leave them all in there.
I just want to get some of this little.
Starter wood, eh?
Well, this is that jack pine or that red pine.
Right here, the inside. You got that off? Take this off.
Yeah.
This will work. That stuff is good, eh?
Yeah, thanks. All right. Well, this is how they do it in BC, you know, at least.
Okay. Would that be a guy named Paul that does that?
Paul Bunyan.
Yeah.
I think. Haven't asked him once to do up her shoelaces.
Yet. That's a yet, Roland. The day is young.
I just have an accent pole here.
Okay.
This is like one of those. This could make like for America's funniest videos. Oh, it's getting hot. This is getting hot.
Yeah, she won't take long boiling in that fire.
that wind just licks the ends of your fingers, eh?
Once the potatoes get, should have got the potatoes going first. I'll have the fish cooked and probably put in the potatoes. No, maybe not. We'll see.
Yeah.
Is the voice on?
Yeah. Oh no, that's right. There is.
Gotta get that on there though, Roland. These fish are gonna be down in the potatoes, aren't they? Sorry.
Nope.
3 or 4.
Yeah.
And if you need more fire, feel free to set it in there.
Maybe
I'll move over. They're getting golden brown out.
Is that all of them, or no? There's 2 more, right?
Oh, there's another frying pan outside.
Yeah.
You thought you were gonna go hungry, eh?
That's what they were spraying for earlier, I think. Or is that, no, that was pine budworm they were saying. I don't know what the difference.
Hang on, Larry, give him the orders.
Yeah, bark.
See, and the thing is,
Orders.
Yeah, you got a good fire over there now.
Here we go.
so you don't do nothing for Brian when he fishes, eh?
Huh?
Sorry?
You don't do anything for Brian, you're a real tourist, eh?
Yeah, I've been a real tourist.
Yeah,
And
but how come you work so hard for Larry? Is
Well, you know,
that a free lesson in life for Brian?
Would it be because you got better fishing?
no, it's because the camera's on. Some of you might be wondering why I'm helping out this around the campfire like this, and it was noted that I normally don't work this hard for when I'm fishing with Brian, and as I was saying to Larry, it's because Larry finds me the fish. That's why I put out. So, can I get you some coffee, Larry?
Yeah, I'll have a cup, please. No cream or sugar, though. I drink it black now.
Okay, I'll just, I'll get it right to it. One more flip. Okay. Yeah, don't get up. Don't get up. Just hold it. I can get it for you.
Don't worry, I won't. Down, stir them right into the bottom so it'll pick up some heat.
Yeah, are you picking up all those orders? That's great footage, man. Wait a.
Oh, I better get out of there. Okay, I gotta get in here. Burn it.
That was just for one of the segments. That's for the Brian video, and then the other one's for the other fishing video.
The other fishing video.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the sound is just...
Know that they're quite the host.
Yes.
You know, that they're willing to burn themselves right in the part where, right in the palm of the hand where you'd be gripping a pot. It's totally worn out. And I bet you he doesn't even wince.
Where'd
No
the new one
complaints
go?
to
Where'd
the
the new one go?
customers. Well, we're trading. This is the passing of the oven mitts. Oh yeah, this is luxury.
Did enough, eh?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
I'll
a
go.
bit more, please. Thank you. Very good. Roland, you did a mighty fine job. You cooked the fish right to a T. The potatoes are great. Onions. You'll have to do this for Brian sometime. You're going to have to do this more often. I'm going to have to take you more often because I enjoy sitting back and relaxing and you doing the cooking. You're going to have to do this for Brian sometime, Roland. I used to do it for the whole family. All the kids, Peg, Brian.
Oh, too bad I'm leaving.
You'll have to cook a lot more fish than what you did today, though.
Yeah, too bad I'm leaving though, unfortunately. I'd love to. We don't get this kind of fish out west.
Do they have walleyes out west?
Only in the north, but quite a ways away.
It's more trout, eh? Out west?
Jackfish, actually. A lot of the young people don't think that though.
Oh, I don't know which one you've been around.
On pretty.
Nice walleye. Tell me, get your picture.
Oh yeah, nice. Look at that. I even saved the minnow.
Now you can roll in to get it on video. Just ask what kind that is.
Oh, what kind of fish is this, by the way?
That is
a pike?
That's a freshwater cod, Roland.
Nice, beautiful. Look at that.
Okay,
Look at
pass the torch.
This is the life. We fought off the crop.
Oh, you drug it. I don't think he took it. You
he did.
nipped him.
Well, it came across. He got there, and then he just got tangled into the. Come on, spit it out. Where's my minnow? Come on, cough it up.
That question?
So undisciplined, and didn't listen a lot in class. So I figured, well, you know what? You're not gonna listen? You have no. Nice. Thank you. Nice.
Swallowed her.
You finished the day.
They're in here. They're just not biting hard, fast.
No, that's right. They're probably 4 o'clock. That's when they.
Oops. That was my surgical pliers.
He took her deep, Ayler.
Yeah.
Boy, you really fed that back to him, I'll tell you. We took the girls back to Minneapolis.
Yeah, this is like if the fishing doesn't wear you out, they even provide dumbbells.
Yeah. Does Brian provide dumbbells in his boat?
No, there's very few dumbbells ever provided. Only with Larry's guiding service. Nice, actually.
He likes it. He loves this job of guiding. Say that?
Well, one of the nice things about wrecking his seat is that he'll always think of me when he sees it.
Beauty. I'll make sure he has a copy for sure.
You can always say, "Ah, Roland."
So, yeah, wait for Larry.
Yeah, I'll just wait for Larry.
I know you busted his seat, but I don't know.
I don't want to do any more damage.